today we will see what is biotechnology. Biotechnology is one of an emerging technology. Bio plus technology or biotechnology. This biotechnology is an emerging technology. There are many technologies like biological science, physics science, chemical science, and a lot of technologies since 1677. For instance, 1677, Antonio Valione, bacteria, protozoa. 1862, Louis Pasteur, bacteria origin of fermentations. 1863, George Mandel, laws of inheritance. 1928 by Alexandra. So this is an emerging technology, or biotechnology is the broad area of biology involving living system and organism to develop or make products or any technological application that uses biological system, a living organism or derivative thereof to make or modify product or process for specific use. Biotechnology, it is simplest. Biotechnology is technology based on biology. Biotechnology harnesses cellular and biomolecular process to develop technologies and products that help improve our lives and the health of our planet. We have used the biological process for microorganisms for more than 6,000 years to make useful food products such as bread, cheese, and preserved dairy products. Brewing and baking bread are examples of processes that fall within the concept of biotechnology. Use of yeast, living organism to produce desired products such as traditional process usually utilize a living organism and their natural form or further developed by breeding, while the more modern form of biotechnology will generally involve a more advanced modification of biological system or organism. One example of modern biotechnology is genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is a process of transferring individual gene between organisms or modifying the gene in an organism to remove or add a desired trait or characteristics. Today, biotechnology covers many different disciplines like genetics, biochemistry, molecular biology, etc. New technologies and products are developed every year within the area of, example, medicine, development of new medicines and therapies, agricultural, development of genetically modified plant, biofuels, biological treatment, or industry, biotechnology, production of chemicals, paper, textiles, and foods. When history of biotechnology, when Edward Jenner invented vaccine and when Alexandra Fleming discovered antibiotic, they were harnessing the power of biotechnology. And of course, modern civilization would hardly be imaginable without the fermentation process that gave us beer, wine, and cheese. When he coined the term in 1990, the agriculturist Carl Erke described biotechnology as all lines of work by which products are produced from raw materials with the aid of living things. In modern biotechnology, researchers modify DNA and protein to shape the capabilities of living cells, plants, and animals into something useful for humans. Biotechnologists do this by sequencing or reading the DNA found in nature and then manipulating it in a test tube or more recently inside of living cells. Application of biotechnology, agriculture or green biotechnology. Biotechnology had contributed a lot to modify the gene of organisms known as genetically modified organisms such as crop, animal, plants, fungi, bacteria, etc. Genetically modified crops are formed by the manipulation of DNA to introduce a new trait into the crops. These manipulations are done to introduce traits such as pest resistance, insect resistance, weight resistance. Medicine, application of biotechnology in medicine or medical biotechnology. This help in the formation of genetically modified insulin known as humulin. This helps the treatment of large number of diabetes patients. It has also given rise to technique known as gene therapy. Gene therapy is a technique to remove the genetic defect in an embryo or child. This technique involves the transfer of normal gene that works over the non-functional gene. Application of biotechnology in aquaculture or fisheries. It helps improving the quality and the quantity of fish. Through biotechnology, fish are indeed to breed via gonadotropin releasing hormone. Application of biotechnology in environment or environmental biotechnology is used to waste treatment and pollution preventions. Environmental biotechnology can more efficiently clean up many wastes than conventional methods and greatly reduce our dependency on methods for land-based disposal. Every organism ingests nutrients to live and produces byproduct as a result. Different organisms need different types of nutrients. Some bacteria thrive on the chemical component of waste product. Environmental engineers use bioremediation, the broadest application of environmental biotechnology, in two basic ways. They introduce nutrients to stimulate the activity of bacteria already present in the soil at waste site or add new bacteria to the soil. The bacteria digest the waste at the site, return it into harmless byproduct. After the bacteria consumes the waste materials, they die off or return to their normal populations levels in the environment. This is an introduction of biotechnology. Thank you.